Hello everybody. Wanted to do a quick unboxing video today. Did you know that Stampin' Up! Offers card kits? And they introduce at least 2 new card kits every single month. So I thought it would be fun to do an unboxing of one of the 2 new card kits for the month of May. This one's called Pretty Party Kit. Sorry for the little halo. As soon as I take this plastic off, it will go away. So let me go ahead and do that to get rid of that. But basically your card kit comes in this box, and this one again is called Pretty Party Kit. Get that plastic out of the way and see if that helps. Yeah, halo is gone. So they always come in this box. I love these boxes. I reuse these boxes all the time for shipping purposes. So if you ever have any of these extra that you don't want, I'd be happy to have them. So what I love about our kits is everything you need comes in this box. The only thing you might need for some of them, if there's ribbon or twine involved, is a pair of scissors. So for this one, you can see it comes with our ink spot, which is Cajun Craze. It comes with the stamp set. This is a really cute stamp set. Sorry, that halo. And just move the box out of the way. It comes with all of the supplies you need. And it's all shrink wrapped, so it's all protected. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up because again, that plastic is creating that halo. So if I get rid of the plastic, it should help get rid of the halo issue. So here we go. So there's still plastic. Here we go. Let me take this out of here. So included in your kit, you have your ink spot, which is Cajun Craze for this one. You have your stamp set. You have an acrylic block that you will use with your stamp set. There's some embellishments. God, everything's creating a halo. Everything's creating a shine today. And then you have your adhesive, which this has dimensionals and mini glue dots. And then you have all of the pieces that you need to make the card. So I'm going to move this out of the way. We've got some envelopes, and there should be 9 if I counted correctly. I love it because they always give us envelopes that aren't just white, so they're fun and they kind of coordinate with whatever it is that we're making. And then you have all the supplies. So these look like they're 3 of the card bases. This is for one of the cards that you'll make. Here is another of the card base. Turn it this way so you can see it. And then here is the 3rd card base. These are really fun. And I will tell you, I like to make the cards exactly as you see them in the instructions, but there are a lot of people that will actually take the cards, like they would take these card bases, and where it's scored, they would cut that in half. Oops, sorry, I'm not in the camera. Oh my gosh, I should pay more attention. They would cut that in half, and then you can actually make 2 cards out of this. Just put it on your own card base. I may actually do that. I'm gonna make one of each how they're supposed to be made, and I may go back later and make some alternates, which I don't normally do, but these are just screaming for alternates. Maybe not this one, because this one, when you fold it, this is what the other half would look like. I'm not really sure how much you could do with that. So that one I probably would not create alternates. But I think these other 2 would be great for alternates. So then it also included, you'll see that you've got, this is where you're going to do your stamping. These are all your little banner pieces. And then they always include a bunch of the die cuts as well. So this kit happens to be a stamping kit. We do have kits that are non-stamping. Oh my God, I keep going out of the camera. I need to pay attention. So what I like to do when I get my kits, and I'll show you, it also comes with a little label sheet that you can put with your stamp set to store it. And it comes with your instructions. And I love our instructions because they're very detailed. It basically tells you that, you know, you're gonna start with this card base and you're gonna fold it in half. And it tells you you're going to use these stamps with this ink, and it shows you what pieces you're putting that on. So it kind of shows you every step of the way. For this balloon die cut piece, it tells you that you're going to add dimensionals to the back. They're hexagon shape. That's how you know they're dimensionals. And then on this piece, it shows you're using some hexagons, but it also shows that you're using a glue dot. And then it also tells you that there's some embellishments to go with it. So every card is very detailed. And what I like to do when I first get my kits and open them is I like to sort them. And I sort them by laying out the card bases, and hopefully I have enough room on here to show what I like to do. I think I can make it work. May not be able to see the entire card base, but you'll be able to see most of it. So like I would put those into piles, and then I would start taking the die cuts and punching them out. And I like to figure out, all right, based on the instruction sheet, which card does this die cut go with? So it does not go with this one, and it does not go with this one. So it goes with this one. It probably leans over the top of that. So then let's see, what else have we got? I'm gonna just bring my instructions into the frame a little bit so you can kind of see what I do. So see here, we've got this piece. And that one goes on the one with the balloons. And then we have this balloon piece, which also goes on that card. And this balloon piece also on that card. These little circles are going to go on this card to the right. So I like to just do that. I like to go through all the pieces. This is just kind of how my mind works. You may do it a completely different way. You may just punch out as you need and go from there, but I prefer to get it all nice and organized before I get started. So you can see there's 3 of these die cut sheets. Actually gonna lift the camera up just a little bit. I feel like I'm really close to my hands. I keep punching these out. And then the last pieces to look at is what pieces do I need that are going to get stamped on. So like for this card here, it's this rectangle piece. So then I will go through and find that rectangle piece. And we're only making 3 of these, but Stampin' Up! Always includes 4. So if you mess up one when you're stamping, you have extras. So we've set those aside. For this one, we're gonna need this piece that looks like this. It's just a banner piece with the banner on one end. So let me punch out 3 of those. And that goes with that card. And for the last card, we need these 2 birthday wishes pieces. So it's going to be these pieces here. And 2 more. And when you finish making these cards, if you have these extra pieces left over, you can always use them on other cards. So that is what I like to do first. I like to get it all sorted so that it's ready to go. And what I think I will do is come back later and do a video of each card and just show you how we stamp it and put each card together. I will make it just like the instructions, but for now, I just wanted to do the quick unboxing video because I just wanted you to see what is included when you purchase some of our card kits. and check back later, and I will definitely do another video and at least show you one of the 3 cards, just so you can see how fun and quick and easy they are. So hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you again soon.